Moving day. 2 words that can send anyone into a panic, right? But it doesn't have to be that way. With a little planning and a few smart tips, you can have a stress-free, totally organized move. In this video, I'm sharing 20 super practical, life-saving moving day tips that'll make you feel like an actual moving pro. Let's make your moves smoother, easier, and maybe even a little fun. And if you stick around until the end, I will share with you 10 moving mistakes and how to fix them. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. This is your survival kit for day 1. Pack things you'll definitely need like your phone charger, medications, comfy clothes, snacks, toilet paper, and maybe even your favorite mug. Trust me, you don't want to be digging through 15 boxes just to find toothpaste. Tip number 2. Don't save all the cleaning for the very end. You'll be too tired and honestly over it. Wipe down the surfaces and sweep each room as it's emptied. It feels so good to walk away from a clean space, especially if you're renting and want that deposit back. Tip number 3, make a checklist and use it. It's easy to feel like you're forgetting something during a move, because you probably are. A checklist keeps your brain calm and your day on track. I love physically crossing things off. It's so satisfying. Tip number 4, label boxes clearly. Don't just write kitchen. Be specific, like kitchen, coffee supplies, and mugs. And make sure you label both the top and the side so you can read it no matter how it's stacked. Your future self will high-five you for this one. Tip number 5, number your boxes. Here's a little trick. Number every box and keep a master list in your phone. That way, if you're looking for your favorite hoodie and it's in box 17, you don't have to open every single box labeled clothes. Tip number 6, use color coding for rooms. Get some cheap colored tape or stickers and assign a color to each room. Red for bedroom, blue for kitchen, green for bathroom. You get it. It's like giving your boxes a GPS system. Tip number 7, take photos of electronics before unplugging. If you've ever stared at a tangle of cords and thought, what is this? This one is for you. Snap a quick photo of the back of your TV or modem setup. Reconnecting will be a breeze. Tip number 8, don't overpack boxes. I know it's tempting to shove as much as possible into one big box, but then it's basically a workout. Books always go in small boxes. Save the big ones for things like pillows, comforters, and the light stuff. Tip number 9, wrap liquids in plastic wrap. You know that shampoo bottle that always leaks? Unscrew the cap, put a little plastic wrap over the opening, and screw it back on. It takes 2 seconds and can save your entire box from becoming a gooey mess. Tip number 10, reserve the moving truck early. Don't wait until the week of your move, especially if it's a summer or weekend. Book your truck or movers early, or you'll be stuck with a tiny van or no help at all. That's no fun. And if you're finding these tips helpful, be sure and hit those like and subscribe buttons for more great tips. Tip number 11, take apart the beds the night before. Leave one to sleep on and then tackle that first thing in the morning. The fewer pieces you're juggling when the truck arrives, the better. Tip number 12, pack important documents separately. Don't toss your important documents in a random box. Keep them in a folder and bring them with you in the car or personal bag. They're way too important to risk losing. Tip number 13, don't pack dirty items. No one wants to unpack smelly gym shoes or dusty decor. Give things a quick clean before you box them up. Starting fresh in your new home feels so much better. Tip number 14, use reusable bags for loose items. You know all those awkward things like shoes, plants, or that random drawer full of stuff? Toss them in a tote bag, laundry basket, or reusable shopping bags. They're flexible and great for last-minute packing. Tip number 15, use kitchen items to pack fragile stuff. Save money on bubble wrap. Wrap dishes in dish towels. Use oven mitts between glass items. And slide glasses into socks. I'm not sure about that one, but that's your call. It's soft, protective, and you're packing 2 things at once. Genius. Tip number 16, schedule utilities in advance. No one wants to arrive at their new place and realize there's no power or Wi-Fi. Make sure you set up electricity, water, and internet ahead of time, and cancel or transfer them at your old place too. Tip number 17, do one last walkthrough. Once the place is empty, do a slow walkthrough. Open every cabinet, drawer, and closet. You'll be amazed at how often people leave behind phone chargers, clothes, hangers, or even shoes. It happens. Tip 18, open first boxes. These are your I just got here and I need a shower and a sandwich boxes. Things like towels, paper plates, bed sheets, and your coffee maker. Label them clearly and keep them in the front of your truck or car. Tip number 19, stay hydrated and feed your movers. Moving is basically a cardio workout. Keep cold water on hand and have some easy snacks ready. If you've got friends helping, ordering pizza or sandwiches is the perfect way to say thanks. Tip number 20, let go of perfection. Things might go a little sideways, a box might get mislabeled, or your couch might not fit through the door right away. It's okay. Keep your cool, stay flexible, and focus on the big picture. You're starting a brand new chapter. And there you have it. 20 tips that will make your moving day go from chaos to calm. I hope this helps you feel more prepared and way less overwhelmed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on home life, organizing, and making transitions a little easier. Tell me in the comments which tip are you definitely going to use, or do you have your own moving day hack? I'd love to hear it. And just like I promised, here are 10 moving day mistakes and how to fix them. These tips will save you time, stress, and probably a little bit of money too. So let's get into it before someone accidentally packs the remote. Mistake number 1, not decluttering before you pack. Why pack 12 coffee mugs if you only use 3? Moving is the perfect time to let go of things you don't use, wear, or love. Don't wait until you're unpacking at your new place to realize you brought a bunch of clutter with you. Here's the fix. Declutter before you touch a single box. Donate, sell, or toss what you don't need. It makes packing faster and cheaper. Mistake number 2, underestimating how long it takes. Spoiler alert, packing always takes longer than you think. Like, way longer. What looks like a quick kitchen job can eat up half your Saturday. Here's the fix. Start packing early, like 2 to 3 weeks out. Begin with the stuff you don't use daily. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Here's mistake number 3, forgetting to label the boxes properly. Miscellaneous is not a label, neither is stuff. And stacking 20 identical brown boxes with no clue of what's inside? That's a recipe for chaos. Here's the fix. Label every box clearly on the top and the side. List the room and a few contents. Kitchen, pans plus mixing bowls is your new best friend. Mistake number 4, packing a box that's too heavy. We've all done it. Books plus some more books equals chiropractor visit. Here's the fix. Use small boxes for heavy items and large boxes for light stuff like bedding or clothes. Your back and your movers will be so grateful. Mistake number 5, forgetting a first night box. You don't want to spend your first night in your new home digging for pajamas and toilet paper. Here's the fix. Pack a clearly labeled open first box or bag with everything you need for that first night. Toiletries, PJs, phone chargers, snacks, and your coffee setup. Priorities, right? Here's mistake number 6, not measuring furniture or doorways. Don't assume that your old sofa will magically fit through your door, because it might not. Here's the fix. Measure your furniture and the entryways before moving day. It only takes a few minutes and can save you hours of frustration and a scratched wall. Here's mistake number 7, leaving utilities set up to the last minute. Imagine moving into your new place and realizing there's no electricity, or Wi-Fi, or worse, no running water. Here's the fix. Call your utility companies before you move. Set up your start and stop dates for electricity, internet, water, gas, and trash. The earlier the better. Mistake number 8, not having a packing strategy. Packing without a plan is like cooking without a recipe. You'll just end up with a big mess and no idea how you got there. Here's the fix. Go room by room, pack similar items together, and don't forget to keep a master checklist or inventory if you're extra organized. Mistake number 9, ignoring valuables and important documents. Birth certificates, passports, jewelry, and laptops should not be tossed into the back of a moving truck between a mop and a toaster. Here's the fix. Keep valuables and important papers in a personal bag or box that stays with you. Don't risk it. Here's mistake number 10, not budgeting for extra costs. Moving always comes with surprise expenses. Think moving supplies, cleaning fees, or last-minute takeout when the kitchen's packed. Here's the fix. Set aside a little oops fund just in case. It takes the stress out of those unexpected moments. But wait, that's not all. Here's a bonus tip. Don't do it alone. Moving is not a solo sport. Ask for help. Hire movers if you can, or at least bribe a few friends with pizza. You'll get it done faster and have way more fun along the way. So there you go, 10 moving mistakes to avoid and how to actually do it the smart way. Moving is never completely stress-free, but with a little planning, you can definitely make it way more manageable. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life tips to help you feel more organized and in control, one move at a time. Drop a comment below and let me know what's your worst moving mistake or best piece of advice. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.